Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Now, me I talk about Wakadan murder and who is alleged to be involved with it. But before me do that, you have some little pussy contact me through WhatsApp and threaten me. Pussy, your Prezi cousin go suck out your mama. You think me afraid of you? Go suck your mama. Big pussy. You understand? Go suck out your mother. You know see Prezi a kill off the whole of the man them. Eh? And you come and talk to me like me I do something wrong. Tell your cousin stop kill off the people in my community. Big batty boy, go suck out your mama. As a matter of fact, me not even gonna talk about Wakadan. A Prezi cousin me I talk about and the blood clot, the threat where the pussy I sent to me. Yo, you might talk a whole heap of fuckery. Pussy, me a no hypocrite. Me I deal with positive thing. But me a blood clot bad man. You understand? Me a bad man. And one thing about me no kill my friends them. You understand? Me no kill my friend, but me defend my thing, pussy. How much you Prezi kill? Eh? And you a come call me on WhatsApp and a threaten me. Yo, me a go report you to the blood clot police. You understand? Me a go report your blood clot number. My youth, me a send police for your bomber clot. Yo, watch this. Now, look at that screen in front of you. This is what this pussy text me. He said, if I don't stand for something, you'll fall for anything. Batty boy, me stand for something. I don't kill my friends, okay? Then he goes, I love people and I love the youth of my island. Trust me when I tell you that I am in the midst of everything. That's why if you're in the midst of everything, you should know what's going on. This guy speaking like Prezi is some fucking saint. He said, I realize you delete my comments because you know you on shit. I didn't delete none of your comment. YouTube automatically does that. Pussy wall. Then he goes, this is the threat now, you know. I want you to read it with me. Him say, brother, I promise you, you cannot make a video with your face showing. He's threatening me. Now, pussy, why you threatening me? Eh? Go threaten fucking Prezi. Go threaten Sunday. Who are hide out in a beatam right now. And I'm gonna do a video on Sunday and Prezi. Cause I know enough things about them, yo. Pussy wall, don't piss me off, you know. Let me finish read this fool now. Him say, you deleting too much comments on your videos. Eventually YouTube will realize and stop letting your content get around. Batty boy, I don't delete shit. You understand? I don't delete shit. You don't even know how YouTube work. Then he goes on to say, as I tell you, I am deep into this shit. And trying to help my people. I'm seeing first on what destruction this causing to my species. What the fuck are you talking about? Tell Prezi stop kill the people them. Tell him stop kill off the man them. And that if you say, you fucking attack me. You attacking the messenger. Everything I'm talking about on Prezi, Sunday, and the whole killing murder music, it's all knowledge out there. I'm just putting it together and bringing it to the people them. This faggot goes on to say, if you don't switch up your content, I can shut down your channel and it takes a few people to flag your videos and YouTube will shut you. Go suck out your mother, you can't stop my content cause all my content pass the right policies. Batty boy, me go school, me a project manager. I'm fucking intelligent. You know how much subject me have? You know how much subject me have? I may I tell you which school me go. At Kingston College me go. Batty boy. You understand? Me pass my exam from me at 9 years old. You know nothing about me? Let me read the last thing where him say. I don't like how you dissing Prezi, which is Ansel Vilvana. Him all call out the man real name. Ansel Vilvana, which happens to be my blood cousin, and you want to do the same thing. So him say me at this Prezi, and I want to do the same thing. Yeah, I want to put out music. Listen, I'm telling you guys, I bumped into the Trinidad scene just on fluke from doing videos, you understand, and did something on Trinidad, a couple piece with Sandman and Dole. And then I realized that Trinidad have a vibrant music scene. I love Trinidad. I love the Trinidad gal them. You understand, with them fat pum pum. But there was a fucking underbelly with the murder music and all sort of stuff going. Coming to realize now that, listen, since I love music and been around music all my life, why not inject good music into the Trinidad scene? And that's what I'm doing. One question I ask him, I ask him one question. I'm going to say to him, all him attack, who kill Wakodan? And him can't answer that. Hear what him say? I do business. Let me read what him say. Cause me I look upon him text right now. Them boy try stifle people and shut people up. Him say I do business. Him is a mechanic. You a mechanic? Prezi should have bossed you bigger than that then. Cause him send me a video, say I'm a mechanic. I soon put up that bumbuckler video, yeah. Hey boy. When I ask him who kill Wakodan, him send me a video of him, like him a fix a car. Eh? Me ask you who kill Wakodan? And you can't answer that. B-man. But you do business. So if you do business, where you mix up in a bacchanal. No, them youth here no. But now like, some of them boy are Trinidad star. The man them have some sick, bomber-clad mentality. You want to tell me, say, see him kill Wakodan dead. Nobody can talk about a situation. Me can't say fuck no man there. And if me say fuck Prezi, them a go kill me. What kind of life is that? That is fucking mental illness, yo. That is psychotic. So you're telling me you have a bunch of bomber-clad people in the community in a Trinidad that is total psychotic, yo. You want to tell me, say, nobody can make an opinion? Because I made an opinion, and here comes his so-called cousin calling me on WhatsApp, calling me on video. Yo, go suck out your mother pussy. You not see my face. You understand? That's why I have to hide my face from people like you. Because you call me when I'm doing this video right now, and we're texting back and forth, and you're trying to make a point that I put out the realest Dan and his video is murder music. No, it's not. You understand? But you see the difference is uno put out murder music and kill people. Music is creativity. The realest Dan not kill nobody. You understand? Them man they go church. Them man they deal with music. Music is life. You understand? Una pre some other fuckery. You are look for the negative things. Instead of you should say, yo, countryman, you're right. You're doing a good job. Try great name there. Try help the youths them. But what you're saying is, I am dissing Prezi. I am dissing Prezi. And you don't like that. and I am dissing Prezi and doing the same thing he's doing. That's my right. I don't have to like you. I don't have to like anybody. I don't even like my own motherfucking self sometimes, yo. Sometimes I don't even like my motherfucking son. I'm a motherfucking wife. Batty boy. You understand? What you want me for do? You text me now. I'm me fi. Sorry, I'm me fi. Oh yeah man. Me nah diss him dog. Time a general. What the fuck is Prezi doing for me? What the fuck is Prezi doing for his community? You know the history. Everybody know the history of what Prezi is doing. And listen to how you fucking come text me like me I do something bad and trying to make me do something bad. And not only that, motherfucking threaten me. Pussy, me I send police upon you. Yo, me come in like Sir P, you know. Don't make me send police on you. Cause me make them get rid of your bomber clot. And don't call my phone again, Batty boy, and tell President, listen, I have a thing coming up on Wakadan, cause it's alleged somebody kill him, and me know I will do it. And me have some more deeper thing more upon Prezi. You see through your text me, I'm gonna put out everything. My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. I'm out, yo. That pussy a piss me off.